Well, Merry Christmas. This is this month's market update for the month of December. I hope you guys are having an awesome month heading into Christmas next week. I wanted to keep it kind of short this week. The first thing we're going to talk about is interest rates. Today, the Federal Reserve is having a meeting in about an hour, and they're expected to talk about whether they will taper back the bond buying program they've been doing for several years, or whether they will continue on with that. And that's going to have a very, very heavy outcome on what rates are going to do through the rest of the year. As some of you may or may not know, interest rates right now are still in the mid fours, so they're obviously still really good, and people are still buying homes and refinancing and saving money on their mortgage. Some other news out there: the chief economist with Freddie Mac is predicting that home prices and home sales are still going to be really, really good in the year 2014, which is great news overall. They actually have gone as far to say as we'll see some of the best numbers of sales that we've seen since 2007, which is pretty exciting, and I didn't expect that, so that's kind of cool. And lastly, we want to talk about rates and where they're going next year. Every single blog that we've done for probably the last 6 months, we've talked about most people are expecting rates to be in the high fours to low fives in the year 2014 at some point. And if you look at this slide here, just to give you an example, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and the National Association of Realtors expect rates to be right around 5% next year. And if you look at this slide, what this shows you is that the purchase price of a $250,000 home, if rates go from where they're at today to right around 5% next year, that'll impact most buyers by about $161 per month. So it kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of how that might impact you. That's all I have for you guys this week. I hope you make the best of your holiday season, spend lots of time with family, and as always, if you need anything, feel free to call our office or email the office, and I look forward to seeing you next month.